This is how you guarantee a crunchy pork tonkatsu. Kanin.
Get a good pork chop. Remove the rind. Bone 2.
With the back of the knife, tenderize the meat.
Season with salt, pepper.
Coat completely in flour, beaten eggs. Rule number 1. Use panko or Japanese breadcrumbs. This will make fried meat super crunchy and locks in that juicy goodness in every bite. My trick for full meat coverage is to grab some of that breadcrumbs and rain it on the meat so that the small pieces in the breadcrumbs get to coat all tiny areas of the meat too. Press lightly, and rule number 2, drop it in hot, and I repeat, hot oil. Make sure there's enough oil to submerge one side of the meat, and pro tip, a little bit of used oil gives better brown. I like to move it around for even browning and just fry both sides until golden brown. Rule number 3, drain this on a strainer or wire rack. Pag nilapag mo agad to sa plato, yung init sa ilalim magkakreate ng steam over time. So make sure air flows around the entire piece. For the sauce, combine ketchup, oyster sauce, wash your sister sauce, sugar, and salt. And if you have time, you can toast some sesame seeds, grind them, and mix it with the sauce. Shred some cabbage, then slice the tonkatsu before plating with the sauce. Now you know that